In this video, I'll talk about 3 steps to treat your dog's arthritis pain naturally, and later, the healthy kibble diet solving joint pain by reducing chronic inflammation. Hi, I'm Dan Scott, Canine Nutrition and Home Remedies Specialist, and if you're new here, hit the subscribe button below to stay in touch with all the latest videos that I do, and feel free to comment or ask questions below. If I had a penny for how many times I've helped pet parents free up their senior dog's joint pain, and bringing great joy to the whole household I might add, I'd have enough for a nice meal at my local eatery. Okay, let's first get to the all-important underlying cause of your dog's arthritis pain. Most likely when you visit your vet because your dog's showing symptoms of arthritis, they'll prescribe the usual anti-inflammatory drugs and pain relievers for the joint pain in dogs to reduce symptoms, but this only works short term and nearly always produces more inflammation. Because the real problem, not detected or treated in any meaningful way, is low-grade inflammation. What's really going on inside your dog's body is that inflammation in the gut is causing what's known as dysbiosis or leaky gut syndrome. And this is the result of years spent ingesting kibble, toxins, medications like antibiotics, along with potentially unsuitable treats, means your dog's gut is inflamed and damaged. The inflammation of the gut lining means small holes appear, causing the inflammatory condition whereby partly undigested food particles, toxins and yeasts can slip through the holes and into the bloodstream. Once in the bloodstream, your dog's immune system goes into overdrive, trying to clean up the mess and defending the body to infection from these leaked intruders. This causes a huge inflammation response all over the body in an attempt to contain the problem. All the while, the joints are being eroded by damaging proteins as part of the immune system's stress, creating a surge of chronic low-grade inflammation in the joint, and particularly if there's already arthritis showing. And it's this lifelong, day-to-day low-grade inflammation that leads inevitably to arthritis, cancer, infections, diabetes, skin and coat issues, and most other health problems in dogs today. The often obvious answer is to give your dog anti-inflammatories and pain relievers for joint pain in dogs to reduce the symptoms, but this only works short-term and nearly always produces more inflammation while bringing great stress to your dog's liver, kidneys and pancreas. Chronic inflammation, the sort of inflammation that stays for weeks, months, even years, is the real reason behind nearly all degenerative and inflammatory health issues in dogs. Today, research is finding that low-grade inflammation is a major factor driving joint degeneration. The number one driver of inflammation in your dog's body is poor diet. After that, it's drugs and environmental toxins. Processed grain-based kibble containing wheat, corn and soy, food additives and preservatives is too caustic, and the years your dog has spent ingesting kibble, toxins, medications like antibiotics and steroids means your dog's gut is inflamed, damaged and full of unhealthy bacteria. So what can you do to stop the low-grade inflammation from making your dog's arthritis worse? Here's 3 natural steps that will make a huge difference. And by following these steps, you'll fix leaky gut, greatly reduce low-grade inflammation and reduce chronic health problems generally. Number 1 is to cut back on toxic flea and tick control and deworming treatments and use the effective natural alternatives. See safer options in the description below. Number 2 is always ask for a titter check before revaccinating your dog. That way you'll know if vaccine antibodies are still present from the last time you vaccinated your dog and whether a vaccine is even needed yet. This stops over-vaccination and its potentially deadly side effects. Number 3 is to boost your dog's diet with a healthier kibble diet. Kibble is convenient, that's for sure, but with it comes low-grade inflammation and after many years, the pain of arthritis and associated diseases. And the diet is key to fixing and preventing nearly all ill health in dogs. So I developed the healthier kibble diet that I've been using with dogs for many years. I think it's a great way to introduce whole food nutrition supplementation to your dog's current kibble diet without having to change their diet. What this healthier kibble diet does is boost your dog's whole food nutrition intake to effectively raise the healing power of your dog's immune system to fight and prevent health problems like canine arthritis pain. And just see a link to a video in the description below explaining more about the healthy kibble diet. Quality nutrition is the foundation of true health and well-being for our dogs. The better the quality of nutrition you feed your dog, the better they'll be. You can waste money on drugs and joint supplements that ultimately lead nowhere. Or you can follow the 3 steps to treat your dog's arthritis pain naturally and without diet change. This way you reduce your dog's joint pain, reduce the risk of cancer and fix a host of chronic health problems such as allergies, ear infections, diarrhea issues, skin problems and poor digestive health. And if you found this video useful, please remember to like it, share it with friends and subscribe so you'll always be up to date on all the latest videos that I do. And until next time, I'll see you then. Bye for now.